This is my first time eating this
Filipina
Bulan.
bulan.
Can you say bulan?
Bulan. Say
Bulan.
bulan.
Good morning to you. Good morning, lang lang. Good morning, my baby. Good morning to you. It's Wednesday, and we're very excited. Well, actually, the girls are very excited. Kasi
Cinema. And we can see my favorite picture.
so today at 1:30,
I don't
ay manonood kami ng sine. So,
That means I hot.
yes, that's right. Kaming tatlo lang ng mga kids kasi si Ate Paris ay school holidays. So, yung friend namin na isa, they invited us to watch the Inside Out. Sa cinema na dito malapit lang sa amin. So, first time na manonood kami ng mga kids na kaming tatlo lang because Daddy will be working today. So,
He's at the gym.
where's Daddy?
He's at the gym.
Is that the gym, you see?
Yeah.
Hindi pa kami bumangon guys, as you can see. Itong mga batang to, sinasabihan ko, punta na tayo ng kitchen, magluto tayo ng pancake. Yes.
And that means that's probably leave at nearly 1 o'clock.
Yeah, we'll leave at 1. Malapit lang naman.
Yeah. Leave at 1 o'clock in 30 minutes.
Did you have a good sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you have a good sleep, Lin? Huh? Uy, kalungat. Did you have a good sleep? Did you dream?
I think you're dreaming.
Oh, good.
Yes. No.
Say good morning to you.
Da 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 da. Alex.
Yeah?
Alex. Mama.
Yes.
It's Alex. Oh, what's the web's name? It's and Mama.
Oh, goodness. Good morning, everyone.
What's the parkour's name? Good morning, my little one.
Magluluto na kami ng breakfast.
Mama, is that Alex?
Actually, which one na?
Mama, what?
No need to cook tayo.
Is that Alex?
Alex? I don't think that's Alex. Ate can tell you. Ate, you teach Lini, please. Wala pong mga suklay, guys. Mukha ng mga batang yan. Louie, please stop.
Gentle.
Louie!
Please stop.
Press down.
I don't have it.
Ate will tell you, okay? Oh, God.
Ever since Lainey had this book, I was telling her who the names was.
Yeah, no, she loves them.
Anthony, Simon, E.T., and Emma. I said this already. Louie, come here. You already in this pretty big bag.
What are you having, Lini?
Pancake.
And?
Strawberry.
Yay! Ate, you have the same.
Yeah, but I didn't have any pancake.
I'm still making it. Yung mga buhok, oh.
I'm too monkey. Mama, how do I this one?
Yeah, I'm making Ate's. Ay, Louie, you didn't eat your breakfast, yeah? I don't know why you didn't eat your breakfast. Don't waste your food, mate. Here's our outfit for today. What Follow my outfit. Turn around. Turn around. Wow. Good girl. We're all wearing denim for today's video, guys. I don't know why. When I was getting ready, ewan ko lang kung bakit napili ko yung denim. So, I'm wearing my purple mini dress. Ayan. And then, naglagay ako ng denim na jacket. Kasi it's a bit cold, especially pupunta kami ng cinema. So, ano siya, cold. Ano ma-cold? Maginaw siya sa loob. And Ate Paris is wearing jumper.
Just the apple.
Iba-iba kami, guys. So,
Mama, just the apple.
just the apple. Jumper. Tapos, ayun, pink na blouse. And then Lainey's wearing a dress. Yeah.
They're both the same.
Oh, yeah. Denim jacket.
They're only different.
Anyways, alis na tayo kasi 1:30 ang ating session ng ating sa lang Inside Out. Inside Out 2. At alam niyo ba, nag-contact lens ako kasi yung papanoorin namin ay 3D. So, kailangan may sunglasses tayo dyan, diba? So, it's going to be interesting kasi, alam niyo ba, chika konti. Alam niyo ba, I'm very happy and very excited kasi malaki na yung mga kids. Parang naging, alam niyo yung barkada lang kami, yung mga ganun. Kahit maliliit pa sila kasi before, kami ni Ate Paris, once nanood kami ng movie na kami ng dalawa. But now, we can take Baby Celine kasi malaki na si Baby Celine. Test namin siya nung in-invite kami ng Universal Pictures Australia para manood ng premiere ng movies. And Celine just sat down and watched the movie the whole time. So, sabi ko sa sarili ko, yes, I can take Celine to the movie now. So, ngayon, first time namin kaming tatlo ang manonood ng movie with our friend, of course. It's going to be really, really fun. Wow! Tingnan niyo ang ating Ate Paris, guys. Alam niyo ba, napansin ko din sa Ate Paris, guys, na malaki na talaga siya, guys.
And guys, see why I have to screen roller that's movies? Because I wanted to bring some money so I could buy some desserts for my friend and my family.
Wow, very nice, honey. Very thoughtful. Yung sweldo niya nung Sunday. Bit-bit niya kasi bibilhan daw niya kami ng ng ice cream. Okay, we'll go in.
And do you know what else I have in here? Some beautiful pearls. Do you know the
Tigala.
orange pearls?
Oh, wow. You're very rich, aren't you? Come on,
I know it.
let's go in.
Come. Let's close.
Good girl. Ayan siya ba? I'm worried na makakatulog yan siya sa loob ng cinema kasi hindi yan siya nagnap. And it's now 1:20. But yeah, maybe maano yan siya. Aaliw pag nanood. Kasi I can see she's yawning. Are you sleepy lang?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
Tell me, show me your face. Are you sleepy?
No.
Oh. Come on. Ate is layo na oh. Okay, excited na. Dalagang-dalaga na oh. May dala ng wallet. Ikaw na talaga, Paris. But she's very nice, ha? Sabi niya, I wanna bring my money kasi I want to buy you food, mommy. You're awake? That's good. That's right. Inside Out 2. Oh, can you smell the popcorn na lang?
Yeah, that's also what it's watching.
Yes, that's what we're watching. Come on.
Come on, Celine. Let's go.
Let's go. Petra's here now.
I can see it. I can see it.
Can you? Hey, come on. That's Petra there. Friend at Paris. Where's mommy? Where's mommy? Hi. How are you?
She's
Have you got
kind of like sneaking to watching that. I think you can
Who's big? Petra is big, isn't she?
with Celine.
Are you gonna get me ice cream, Ate? Ate, are you gonna get me ice
This
cream?
is from last year when
Thank you. And popcorn too?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're so kind.
And she said like, oh, I'm gonna buy my friend ice cream.
What's in there?
Yeah, you can get it. It's there. Oh, it's gone.
And
Where
she
is
take
it?
to school. She take money to school.
No.
Celine has it.
Yeah.
Celine has it.
Oh, Celine has it. The other one, honey, can you share to Petra? Good girl.
Back to
Thank you. Yeah, ice cream. We can have that lollipop later. Have the ice cream now, okay? Thank you, Ate. You're very generous.
That's right, I have enough money in the bank.
Thank you. I'll open it for you. Thank you so
let me put
much.
my one.
Yeah, you got change. Okay. Okay. Did you put it inside?
Okay.
Who's crazy?
It's mommy.
I'm crazy. I'm not crazy.
Oh my god.
Kakatapos lang ng movie, guys. Did you like the movie?
What's a more?
There's some more. Ate, did you like it? You look cool with your glasses on. With your shinies on. Did you like it, Petra?
Be careful, okay?
The lady get a lot of got it.
The lady get a lollipop?
Thank you.
Got it.
He's really helpful.
Strawberry.
Kids, isn't it?
I don't like
Yeah.
strawberry.
I know.
That's my mother.
You choose. Nandito kami sa Bulimba, guys. Okay, you can read that.
We shall and take.
Be strong and take heart. There you go. So, dito sa, nag-order ako ng, yan, si Celine kumakain na. Ah, tingnan nyo. Oh my God daw. Careful na, that's hot.
Another one.
It's the mozzarella hot dog, guys.
Whatever.
Meron silang ganito dito. Gusto kong magbasa ni Ate Paris. To strengthen your soul. 101 blessings. Para siyang yung inspirational na mga message. Yes,
I'm gonna read the other one.
Okay, read the other one. What does it say?
Whatever is ahead of you, know that God is already there.
Wow, that's very nice. Okay, I'll choose one. I remember this. When I was in Melbourne, binigyan ako ng boss ko, ganito. Tapos, every time na nag-vlog ako, yun yung binabasa ko. Sinishare ko sa inyo.
Can I see what it looks like?
So, I'll read this. Oh, there's another one on the back, actually. See? Let your faith be bigger than your fear. Commit everything you do to the Lord. Trust Him and He will help you. I didn't expect that Lini is gonna eat, but isa lang yung in-order ko.
Okay, it's time to read my one. Get cheese because
Yeah?
God is great.
What's on the
Great
back?
is His fullness. Cheese.
You want a cheese?
Yes.
Mama bite bit. Mmm.
Begin afresh
Ano ka nung walang basa na?
each morning.
Eh? Great is His faithfulness. His mercies begin afresh each morning.
Sticky.
Because it's cheese, Baba.
I'm gonna read some more cards.
You read next to the time check, guys. It's actually now 4:12.
Ah!
Gusto pa nilang maglaro sa park.
Apple.
Mukhang ulan pa kasi madilim na. It's only 4 o'clock pero madilim na. Gusto pa nilang pumunta sa park. Lapit na naman yung park dito. But, Nak, do you think it's gonna rain? Have a look, it's getting dark outside. Use that one now. Have a look at the umbrella, it's so cute. Oh my god, gentle.
No.
Oh, it's beautiful, honey. Okay, we might have to put it down now because we don't want to ruin it. Thank you, my love. I'm cute. Wait, careful. Mama put it. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's it. Okay, keep walking. Dadalhin ko tong dalawa sa park kasi gusto pa talaga nilang maglaro. Itong isa, oh, Diyos ko Lord, wala pang tulog yan. May energy pa. Pero mamaya, after park, for sure, straight away, pag nilagay sa sasakyan, is black yan. Ay, wait, Ling Ling! Oh! Pinsay, nagtulod na. Ay, Lini, wait for mama. Come on, keep going. I know, before it rains. Yesterday guys, nandito kami. So yung mannequin, nasa labas yan. What did you say yesterday na? About that?
Lola Karen. It looks like Karen.
Sabi niya, it looks like Karen. Who's Karen? Your Lola. Hmm?
She's
Tingnan nyo.
Melbourne.
Kasi,
That's Melbourne.
where is she?
She's on Melbourne.
Where?
Melbourne.
Melbourne?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's in Melbourne and we're going
I
soon.
know it.
You know it, you're very smart, aren't you?
Melbourne soon. Oh, he's going to Melbourne.
No, we are going to Melbourne.
Smells like chips.
And no, next door, they're making chips. We're going to Melbourne soon. We're going to see Lola Karen. And Nan and Pa and friends. Yeah, and Jakey. I know.
Lollipop. Mom, eh?
Alrighty, need hold hands. Ate, hold Lini's hand on the other side, please. Hey, hold Lini's hand on the other side. Thank you.
Oh, it's raining. That's a good park.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
That's
First to
like
ride.
a park. That's like
So kahapon, nandito rin kami. Okay. Yeah, that's from the cinema. It's not from cinema lang. It's Gucci. Look. Gucci on. Ah, good. Tignan nyo. Sabi ni Paris, it looks like from the cinema. It's a Gucci sunglasses, but it's broken. We leave it there lang, okay? Someone might come back for it. Good girl. Yeah, someone might be looking for it. Oh my goodness. Tingnan niyo si ate nakahanap ng kalaro. Okay. Woo! Good job, Palingling.
Live it up.
Off? Tinanggal ko na ang aking contact lens guys kasi nakakairita na sa mata. I have dry eyes kasi. Kaya very uncomfortable kapag natagalan yung contact lens. Ay, Louie. Luluto tayo ng hapunan. Meron tayong chicken dito. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayong stir fry, honey soy. So, yan. Yan yung para sa kanila kasi yung sa akin, guys, na i-excite ako. Saan ko ba nilagay? Ay, ito. Sinong may alam? Tingnan nyo, guys. Ano tawag dito? Ay, yung gagmay nga bulag ba? Yung mga, masarap tong ano sa munggo di ba? Kalimut ko sa pangalan. Anyways, it's dried anchovy. Ayan. So, prituhin ko lang to. Tapos kanin. Sulbad na ang panihapon ni Mami. Sarap kaya nito guys. Tapos may suka. Suka ako dito na dato puti. Hello, Bobby. Say hi. Hello. You're not having that. Mama's cooking that. How are you? Look. Dancing. I'm dancing, Baba boy. Ayo! Look, tingnan nyo. Tumatayo. Hello, my Baba. Hindi talaga to natulog, guys. Oo, kaya very suki. What happened? What do you wanna do? Water? Sure, baby. Hang on. There you go. Okay. Careful. Come on na. Our help is needed. Magsagawa tayo ng mabilis na pagsusuri sa seguridad. Pindutin. Pindutin ang larawang nakatayo ng tama.
Ha?
Help me, please.
Enjoy naman yung mga kids, guys, sa ating day out today. And, kanina gusto pa talaga nilang maglaro sa park. Sabi ko, anak, kasi dumidilim na eh. Buti na lang sa Paris talaga yun. Ano, guys? Mabait ba? Minsan, you will understand na, you know, she's still a kid. So, gusto pa talaga niyang magstay doon kasi she made friends with another girl. Tapos, sabi ko, uwi na tayo, anak. Sinabi ko na, busy si mama, sabi ko. And, nung narinig niya, kasi sabi pa niya sa akin, kami stay for the more. Sabi ko, hindi na anak kasi si mami. Ay, naku, pag maano ako dito. Hi, Louie! Hi! Sabi ko, baka maano ako dito kasi yung parang gumaganon-ganon ba ako, guys. Tapos, yun na nga, sabi ni Ate Paris, okay, let's go. Tapos, umalis kami. Habang naglalakad kami pabalik sa sasakyan, sabi niya, when we get home, Mommy, you can have a rest for the rest of the day. Sabi niya gano'n. Hindi ba? Iba talaga itong ating napakatanda kung mag-isip. Kaninang umaga din na narinig ko sila ni guys nila. Nag-uusap sila. Sa toilet ako, naririnig ko lang sila. Tapos sabi niya, it's okay, Celine, sometimes we make mistakes. Pag ano siya. And then, sabi ko naman, nandun ako nakarinig sa bathroom, sabi ko, because no one is perfect. Ganon. Tapos sabi niya, yeah, we can only try to be good. Oo, diba? Iba talaga yung anak ko eh. Special power to niya. Parang matanda kung magsalita.
Hey guys, so this is my first time eating this
Filipina.
Bulad.
bulad.
Can you say bulad?
Bulad. Bulad. I like say
Bulad.
bulad. So guys, I'm gonna eat bulag for my first
Bulad.
bulad, sorry, for my first time, and I'm so excited to try it.
Sure.
Try it in 3, 2, 1. So first I'm gonna show what it looks like. That looks delicious. So 3, 3, 2, 1.
Good? You like it?
I have more on my plate.
Okay. Can you say lami?
Lami
Bulad.
bulad. Doesn't mean I love bulad.
Means yummy.
Lami bulad. Yan na.
Say lami.
Salami.
Lami.
Lami
Bulad.
bulad. I'm gonna try.
Sayang sa
Vinegar.
Asa man naadapit sa kuan sa
number what?
asa man nga part? Katong atong gatuan nga gidulaan sa bowling ato apit?
Fill it with
Oh, dito
vinegar.
the tete.
Okay.
Time zone, but it's outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just, so the
With vinegar on it.
Okay, sounds good.
I'm
Okay.
gonna move it.
I'll send the address on the as well.
Okay, thank you, Joy.
Nice.
There's some more.
Bye-bye.
Sorry. How's that sound up?
Yummy.
Playing in Melbourne.
Gusto kami mag-dinner, guys.
Playing in Melbourne.
What are we watching, ate? Ate, what are we watching?
Rugby.
Wrestling.
State of Origin. Queensland versus New South Wales. Most important sporting event in Australia.
This one, nakatulog, guys. Sa couch. And then nagising. Ay, so okay, my love, baby girl. Ayan, kakaumpisa lang eh. Nood mo lang kami dito. Okay lang naman kasi walang klase. Pero busy day ulit kami bukas. Uy, no? Got few things to do. It's very comfortable.